Hello everyone, today I'm going to explain how to assemble this prop. First, after we receive it, we need to categorize all the parts. For example, these small ones and this long strip. They are different sizes, and different shapes need to be distinguished. Sort them out first. This way, it's easier to assemble. Then, let's start discussing how to assemble. First, these are its two sides. The two sides. We need to fix its frame first. So we need to distinguish between these two smaller types. These two types have different lengths. Their peg positions are different. This one is mainly to secure its overall structure. Let's throw out the left and right. The one with the logo is on the outside. This one is on the inside. Also, we need to distinguish the front and back of our edges. For some with depressions, because when using lasers, it can't be avoided. There will definitely be some. So we try to keep them on the inside. So if you put those with small dents on the outside, you can cover them up and they won't be visible. After we distinguish the front and back, let's start assembling. First, let's categorize these shorter ones. We need to differentiate between the two-tooth and one-tooth pieces. Let's start by assembling the one-tooth piece. The one-tooth piece mainly secures these positions below, and also this position on top. Let's fix it in place. Simply place the caliper in this part. Press it and it should fit on. Be careful when fitting here. When pressing here, don't press at this position. If you press here, it might break. So when you hold it, don't grab it from the side. Instead, hold it from this side to apply force. This is very important. Otherwise, it will snap. Once assembled, it will be very sturdy, but you have to be careful during assembly. It's the same on the side. Connect it. The text should face outward. Wrong one. We should use the shorter one for assembly. Fix one end, then fix the other end. Just push it on. Make sure it's flush when pushing it tight. When pushed into place, it should be level. Attach each piece one by one. While assembling, be cautious. Don't snap it, because it bears different loads. If you bend it like this, it will definitely snap, but pressing down like this is very sturdy. The four pieces at the bottom. After it's secured, secure this top piece. When pressing, don't press the side. Be very careful. Don't press this edge and break it. Then it will be damaged. You have to be cautious. Also, this excess piece is in this position. Each part, like this one or the connector, we usually prepare an extra one or two for you. Also, pay attention to these weak spots. Don't break them, because every design serves a purpose. So make sure not to snap them. Now, the frame is already fixed. After securing this, we'll further secure its structure. We'll use these longer two-tooth parts. Then when we fit the inner teeth, fitting this inner part. The outer teeth are for securing these small rings. So the outer part has a tooth length. Thus, you must ensure to fit the inner dimension perfectly. Just push it up. Push it in. Insert it one by one. It's the same with these. There are front and back sides, but this kind is all on the inside. When you can't see this outer part, you can differentiate it. This one doesn't have this little thing. You should orient it outward. Position it on the outside, so it looks better. Actually, it's about aesthetics. You can assemble it in any way. It doesn't serve any function when in use. It's just for looks. Be careful when pushing it in. Don't break anything while holding it. Don't bend the other parts. Affix each piece one by one. The sizes are precisely designed, so when inserting, just push it firmly. As long as the angle is right, don't force it. Now for the outer part, face the flat side towards the edge. This way, when viewed from this side, it will look better. It will look nicer. If it's exposed like this, it won't look good, right? This way looks better. Okay, if that's the case, the whole frame is already fixed. Now we need to secure the top part. It's this one here. Now I'm going to stick it. Alright, generally when shipping, we'll pre-stick it for you. If you want to do it yourself, that's fine too. You can tear off the adhesive on the back. Just stick it on. You can just slide it into place. Here, just snap both sides in. When it's in position, this side is flat. Basically, it's all flat. Once the whole frame is secured, we can start to install this front. When installing the front, there are two different sizes. So the lengths are easy to distinguish. It's not an issue. Everyone can understand. Also, there's the front and back. Make sure to check for the logo. With the logo here, it will be clearer. the logo should face up. Don't install it upside down. If installed upside down, it won't fit. So just install it like this. Anyway, when you look at it, the logo should be right. Just avoid installing it like this. It's the same on this side. There's a logo here too. Just install it right. Don't install it the other way. If you install it backwards, the logo will be so just hold it over carefully. Alright, next let's see how to install this. Let's start with the small ones. First, let's align them. Stand it up like this. After standing it up, we can push it down. First, push one side down to secure it. You can slightly adjust the position up. After adjusting, press down with the thumb. Now, let's differentiate this part. This differentiation is quite simple. These two shapes are on this side. These two have two of them. This one has two. It's because there's one fixed part below. One fixed part on both sides. When we hold it, it's best to hold this side. Because this side looks a bit worse. Because it's a bit dark. Because there's no way during the laser process. So this side looks better. The light side facing up. If we use this piece, then it would be this side facing out. So it doesn't look good, right? We hold this side. Then we fit this head in. Then we push these two sides to secure this position. This excess part of the ruler. When fitting it in, make sure it's in position. Then this tooth secures it in place. That way it's fixed. Then this tooth comes up. This is already in position. This can be inserted. Inserted from this side. Just press down with your thumb. Then push this side in. This secures this side. After securing this head, we then secure this head on the opposite side. When securing this part, use the other one to fit it in. Fit the tooth in. Then, as before, make sure this ruler comes out. Then, when this is in position as well, secure this in place. Now, this is fixed. And now we fix the bottom part, which is the same. Let's hold it and take a look. Which one is suitable? This one is suitable, because this side facing out doesn't look good. This side facing out looks better. You can choose for yourself. First, fit this on. Then, adjust it a bit. This curved ruler should be fitted. After fitting it, when this is in place, take a round piece to secure it in place. Then it won't come out. Then we do the same for the other side. Fit this in. Then both teeth come out. Take another round piece to fix it. That way it's secured. After securing it, we need to adjust this curved part. It can be adjusted upward. Push this up. Because this can move, it can be adjusted a bit. We can remove this first. You can adjust it slightly up. Okay. When pushing this over, it can be made flat. This position made flat. That way it's fixed in place. This height and this height are quite close. It might stick out a little bit, to avoid blocking when it comes up. So a little bit sticking out is fine. This side is fixed now. Then we assemble the other side. The other side uses the same method. First check the logo is upright. Then we place it on. After placing it, we can first secure the most curved part. This is for the curved position. Secure the most curved part. Here we differentiate into three parts. This is from the top. In the middle, the most curved is this middle part. Take this middle part to secure it first. We need to distinguish its front and back, as the lengths are different. That screw won't fit. Let's try a different one. This way, it's secured. Put it on the card. The other side is the same. Actually, you don't need to stand it up. Doing it horizontally works too. Don't do it like this. It's easier with your hands. But the card is for everyone to see clearly. Stand it up. This is how you put the card on. Then, once the light position is confirmed, everything else will be easier to secure. Let's secure this edge first. This also goes in this direction, because there are grooves here. This way it won't interfere with this. So you can choose the front or back. Just push it in. Exactly 3 ticks come out. All 3 are in place here. Just secure these 3 circular pieces.
Thank you.
After getting one end done, work on the other end. Both sides need to be done. After finishing this side, go to the other side to secure it. You can't just finish this side. This side is all done, and the other side is enough. It'll be hard to fix. So you need to work step by step. Secure this side. Then we secure the top part. This flat part is to avoid conflicts with this. So this part is flat. This fits right in original piece. Turn it over from yesterday. When adjusting, you can move it side to side. Don't use too much force. If you use too much force, it might break. Find the right angle, and you can fit it in. After getting this side done, it's the same. This side will be a bit higher too. You can push it down a bit, but make sure it's pushed up. This way it guarantees flatness. If it falls down, you can push it up or down a bit. There can be a bit of adjustment here. This way, everything is secured. Once installed, it's very sturdy. Why is that? Because there are many beams underneath to support the bottom. There are also several beams here, so not a single one can be missing. They all need to be secured. If you have extra circular pieces, you can keep them. You can secure a few more. You should be able to add more. Because they will send you several extra small parts. And for this beam, to avoid breaking it during installation, right? We'll send an extra beam. And an extra 2 circular pieces. That's it. It's done.